Samarji. Welcome to my channel Astrology in Real Life. Now I am going to discuss with you about the planet. There are 9 planets as per Vedic astrology: Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, Rahu and Ketu. Among these 9 planets, 2 planets are treated as shadow planets, Rahu and Ketu, because the Rahu is the upper part head of the body and Ketu is only a body which doesn't have any head. As per the Hindu mythology, there at the ancient time there was no existence of Ketu. Rahu was only there. The ocean, Manthan, all the Amrita was there and all the Devtas divided the Amritas among themselves. But Rahu is not a part of Rahu is not a part of the god, but he took his seat at the queue of the gods, and when the Amrita was divided at this time, he took that Amrita, and that Amrita entered until his throat. At the same time, Sun and Moon identified that this person is Rahu, he is not the god, and Lord Vishnu, Narayana, cut his head by his Sudarshan chakra, and the head becomes the part of Rahu and body becomes the part of Ketu. This is the mythology of Rahu and Ketu. Right now our discussion matter is that the planets, all the planets are working as per their position. Position means whether they are the own sign, whether own sign, this is a good sign. Multigon sign, this is also good. Exaltation sign is also good. Friend house is also good. And neutral planet sign is not too good, not too bad. And enemy sign, that is very bad. This is the planet's position, and at the same time the nakshatra, whatever the nakshatra will be there, the planet is posted the nakshatra, accordingly the planet is working. We are going to discussing about the sun. Is the king, and this is the Aries 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. All these are the signs. And first we are discussing about the Swarashi, means own sign. Own sign, if any planet is posted at own sign, that is very good position. For sun, this is a Leo is the own sign. When sun is in Leo, this is known as the own sign. Next is exaltation sign. When sun is in Aries sign, this is the exaltation sign of the sun, and here is the degree 0 to 10 degree. When sun is 0 to 10 degree in Aries sign, this is the exaltation sign, and opposite of this sign, this is the Libra. When sun is here, this is the known as debilitated sign, and degree remains the same, 0 to 10 degree. Exaltation, whenever any planet is posted at exaltation sign, that is very good position, but whenever that planet is in debilitated point, this is not at all good, this is quite bad position. But there are some terms and conditions I also applied there. I am discussing with later with some other videos about the terms and conditions of this planet. And next is the Multigon sign is Leo. The Multigon sign is Leo. When sun is posted in Leo, this is 0 to 20 degree. 0 to 20 degree. This is this time 0 to 20 degree. This is the Multigon sign of the sun. This is next. We am discussing the relationship of the sun. Who is the friend of the sun? The friend of the sun is Moon, Moon, Mars, and Jupiter, and neutral planet, that is Mercury, and enemy is Venus and Saturn. The queen of the cabinet of the planets as per Vedic astrology. When the moon is at the Cancer sign, here moon, this is the sign of the moon, here moon is very powerful. But one condition is applicable for the moon, that is whether the paksha, or whenever the paksha is Krishna paksha or Shukla paksha. If moon is at Shukla paksha, that means moon is powerful, moon is getting pakshbal. But if the moon is at Krishna paksha, that is the death moon, that moon is not at all powerful. And exaltation point of the moon, this is the, when moon is at Taurus sign, this is the exaltation sign, and here the exaltation, this is 0 to 3 degree when moon is here as Taurus sign. This moon is exaltation moon, and when this moon is opposite sign, here this is the Scorpio, this is same degree, 0 to 3 degree, moon is Scorpio, this is the debilitated sign. Exaltation sign is good for the moon, but the debilitation sign is not at all good for the moon. Next is the Mool Trikon sign. Mool Trikon sign is also, this is the Taurus. Taurus is the Mool Trikon sign, and the degree, that is 4 to 20 degree. 4 to 20 degree. When moon is at Taurus and 4 to 20 degree, that moon is known as the Mool Trikon sign of the moon. That is posted at the Mool Trikon sign. The friend of the moon is Sun and Mercury, neutral planet Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and Venus. There is no enemy planet of the moon. And it is Mars. Previously, two planets, Sun and Moon, they have allotted one sign, but Mars has got two signs. Mars is the owner of the two signs. One, that is Aries in Mars, this is the own sign, and Scorpio in Mars, this is the own sign. These two signs are the own sign of the Mars. Mars is exalted when Mars is here in Capricorn. When Mars is in Capricorn, 0 to 28 degree, that Mars is exalted. And when Mars is opposite of this Capricorn, that is Cancer, when Mars is here, 0 to 20 degree, that Mars is a debilitated sign. When Mars is 0 to 12 degree, as Aries sign, this Mars is known as the Mool Trikon sign of the Mars. And Mars is the commander-in-chief of the cabinet of the planets as per Vedic astrology. Friends, planet of the Mars, that is Sun, Moon, and Jupiter. Neutral planet of the Mars is Venus and Saturn, and enemy planet of the Mars is Mercury. This is the about the Mars. Next is Mercury. Mercury is the prince. Mercury is known as the prince of the cabinet, of the planet's cabinet. And Mercury has also got two signs. One is Gemini and the other one is Virgo. These two signs have the own sign. When Mercury is posted Gemini or Virgo, this is the own sign of Mercury. Point is the Virgo 0 to 15 degree. When Mercury is here, this is the exaltation sign, and the opposite of here when Mercury is posted at the Pisces sign, that is 0 to 15 degree at Pisces sign, this Mercury is known as the debilitated point. That means the exaltation, this is good for the Mercury, and debilitated is not at all the good, but here is some terms and conditions are applicable here also. And Mool Trigon, what is the Mool Trigon sign of Mercury? This is the Virgo is the Mool Trigon sign of the Mercury, and when Mercury is 16 to 20 degree at Virgo sign, 16 to 20 degree at Virgo sign, this is the Mool Trigon sign of the Mercury. And friends, what the friends of the Mercury? Sun and Venus, these two planets are the friends of the Mercury, and neutral planet, that is Mars, Jupiter and Saturn, and enemy planet is Moon. Jupiter is known as the Guru of Devtas, of all the gods, and at the planet's cabinet position of the Jupiter, he is the advisor. Jupiter own sign. Two signs are allotted for the Jupiter own sign. This is the Sagittarius and Pisces. These two signs are allotted as the own sign of the Jupiter. And what is the exaltation sign of the Jupiter? When Jupiter is at Cancer, here is the Jupiter. Suppose Jupiter is posted here, and degree, this is 0 to 5 degree. When Jupiter is here, 0 to 5 degree. This is the exaltation of Jupiter. This Jupiter is very good. But when the Jupiter, the opposite sign here, Capricorn, when Jupiter is here, this is the same 0 to 5 degree. That is the debilitated sign of the Jupiter. This is not at all good. But there are some for debilitated, all the planets whenever will be debilitated sign, there are some terms and conditions are there. I will discuss about those terms and conditions at some other videos when I am discussing about the yogas. So what is the Mool Trigon sign? Mool Trigon sign of Jupiter, that is the Sagittarius. Sagittarius is the Mool Trigon sign of the Jupiter. This is 0 to, when Jupiter is here, 0 to 10 degree. This is the Mool Trigon sign of the Jupiter. Mool Trigon sign is also a very good position. And who are the friends of the Jupiter? Sun, Moon, Mars. These three planets are the friends of the Jupiter. Saturn is the neutral planet. Mercury and Venus. These two are the enemy planets of the Jupiter. Venus. The Un sign. What are the Un sign? This is the Taurus and this is the Libra. These two signs are the Un sign of the Venus. And exaltation, when this is the exaltation and the Pisces Venus is the exaltation Venus, and 0 to 27 degree. 0 to 27 degree. When Venus is here, this is the exaltation sign of the Venus. And debilitated point, that's the opposite. This is the exaltation, this is the debilitated point. And this is the Virgo sign, the debilitated Venus. This is 0 to 27 degree, 0 degree to 27 degree. This is the same degree. Venus and Libra. This is the Mool Trigon sign, 0 to 15 degree. When Venus is there, this is the Mool Trigon sign. This is also good position, the Mool Trigon sign. Exaltation Venus is good. and unsigned Venus was also good. But the friends of Venus, Saturn and Mercury, these two are the friends of the Venus. Neutral planet, this is Jupiter and Mars. Enemy, Sun and Moon. Next planet is Saturn. Saturn has got two houses, two signs. These two, this is a Capricorn and Aquarius. These two are the moon sign of the Saturn. And exaltation point of the Saturn, sign of the Saturn 0 to 20 degree. If Saturn is posted at Libra, this is exaltation point, and when it is here 0 to 20 degree at Aries sign, this is the debilitated point of the Saturn. Mul Trigon sign, and when 0 to 20 degree Saturn is here, this is known as the Mul Trigon sign of the Saturn. And Saturn is known as the servant of the planet cabinet as per Vedic astrology. What the friend of the Saturn? Mercury and Venus, these two are the friends of the Saturn. Jupiter is the neutral planet and enemy planets are Sun, Moon, Mars. Rahu is a shadow planet. Rahu has not got any moon sign. Rahu, both the Rahu and Ketu. Rahu doesn't have any moon sign, but Rahu is the present point. It is the Gemini sign. When 0 to 15 degree Rahu is here, this Rahu is known as the exaltation, and the opposite here, when Rahu is the same point at the Sagittarius sign 0 to 15 degree, that Rahu is the debilitated sign, and when Rahu is in Virgo 0 to 15 degree, that Rahu is known as the Mul Trigon sign 0 to 15 degree. This is the Mul Trigon sign of Rahu. Friend planets of Rahu, that is Saturn and Venus. Neutral planet Mercury. Enemy planets are Sun, Moon, Mars, Jupiter. Just like Rahu, Ketu is also a shadow planet. Ketu has not got any moon sign, but when Ketu is in Sagittarius, this is 0 to 15 degree. In Sagittarius Ketu, that is the exaltation, and when Ketu is here as a Gemini sign 0 to 15 degree, that is the debilitated sign, and when Ketu is at me as a Pisces sign here 0 to 15 degree, this is the Mul Trigon sign of the Ketu. Friend is Venus, neutral planet Mercury, enemy planet Sun, Moon, Jupiter and Saturn. These are about the planet. Before going to discuss of the horoscope, we have to know some tips. That is a Kendra and Trikon. These two terms are very important for horoscope. Kendra, that is 1, 4, 7, 10. These are the Kendras. And whenever the planet are here, this planet are good. And Trikon 1, 5, 9 from Lagna. Whenever Lagna will be there, 1, 5, 9 from Lagna, that is Trikon. And Dustan, this is bad position, 6, 8 and 12 from any chart. From Lagna chart, these three houses are the bad position. And even sign, this is the odd sign, this is the even, this is odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. These are the basic matter for going to our next step. Right now, this is the avastha. Balladi Avastha. We are going to discuss with you about the Balladi. Balladi Avastha. Just like human body, this is the one child, child to young, young to old to die. This is the sequence. The same sequence are also applicable for planets. When the planets at the horoscope. First, we are discussing about the Bal Avastha. Bal Avastha, when any planet is the Bal Avastha, they are working like a child. The planet cannot give full result. For odd sign, this is the odd sign 0 to 6 degree, and for even sign 24 to 30 degree. 24 to 30 degree, this is the even sign. Next, this is the Kumar Avastha. Kumar Avastha, this is the better than Bal Avastha. This is quite better than Bal Avastha. For odd sign 6 to 12 degree, and for even sign 18 to 24 degree. When the planets are here, this is the Kumar Avastha. Next is Dhruva Avastha. Dhruva Avastha, the planets are more powerful. For Dhruva Avastha, 12 for both odd and even, both 12 to 18 degree. Whenever the planet is there, this is the Dhruva Avastha. After that, Vriddha Avastha. This Vriddha Avastha. Vriddha Avastha, this is the Pant Avastha. This is the old stage of all the planets. The planets are working like an old man. Even any planet is at exaltation sign, at this avastha, at this situation, that planet cannot give full result. For odd sign 18 to 24 degree, and for even sign 6 to 12 degree. If any planet is posted here, this is known as the Vriddha Avastha. Next is Mrita Avastha. Avastha means the death situation. Just like a dead person, the planet cannot work at all. For odd sign, this is 24 to 30 degree, and for even sign, that is 0 to 6 degree. If any planet is there, this is the known as Mrita Avastha. This planet cannot give any result at all. Episode right now, that is the movement of planet. What is the movement of planet? All the planets are moving anti-clockwise. If any planet is posted here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Movement of the planet means how the planets move in the zodiac. As per Vedic astrology, all the planets are moving on anti-clockwise, which is known as the direct motion. Suppose here is any planet, here is Mercury is here, suppose, and for normal motion, Mercury's movement will be in this way. Mercury will move. That is the normal motion of Mercury. When at this time of movement at the soon orbit, when the planet comes to very close to Sun, at this time the planet becomes combust, and after that the planet quite moving backward from its normal motion, then the planet becomes retrograde, and at this time the planet will move in the clockwise movement. That's mean here in this movement, suppose Mercury is here, and when it will retrograde, just go to this movement. This is the movement of the planet. And for the retrograde, planet will be on retrograde. At this time, that planet will give result 2 houses. Mercury is posted here, and if it is in retrograde motion, R for retrograde, it will give result both this house and this house. This previous house and this other. That means both the Pisces and Aries. These two houses result will be provided by Mercury when Mercury is on retrograde movement. But all the planets are on retrograde motion and direct motion except the Sun and the Moon. Sun and the Moon, they becomes neither retrograde nor combust. But when the Sun and Moon, when the Sun and the Moon at the same house, at the same sign, it indicates the Amavasya Yoga. Here Sun is full power, Sun has got full power and Moon hasn't got any power. This is the Amavasya Yoga. And when the Sun and Moon becomes the opposite of each other, suppose this Moon goes to here. Suppose this Moon goes to here. That means this is Purnima. In this way, the Amavasya and Purnima Tithi creates through Sun and the Moon. Rahu and Ketu is always retrograde motion because the Rahu and Ketu, that is only a mathematical point. When the solar path and lunar path intersect each other, that point is known as Rahu and Ketu. So, Rahu and Ketu becomes always retrograde motion. Suppose here is the Rahu and here is the Ketu. Always they are opposite of each other. One is known as north node and other one is known as south node. So they are the each other opposite direction. When all the planets movement anti-clockwise here, at this time Rahu and Ketu moves this way, always retrograde motion. This is the matter of Rahu and Ketu. And when I am discussing regarding the retrograde of the planets, when I am discussing some more details at some other videos about the retrograde, and there will be I will present some horoscopes here regarding the retrograde planet and what is the result of the retrograde planet and everything in details. But here, this is the just brief idea about the movement of the planets. Now, another interesting matter which I am going to discuss with you, that is the PAC. P, A and C. These three terms. P for position, A for aspect and C for conjunction. First, our discussion method that will be position. Position means when the planet are posted in any house of or any sign at any horoscope, that planet will provide result accordingly. Suppose that is the position. Suppose this is the ascendant. If any planet is posted here, this is the 6th house. Suppose here Jupiter. Okay. Here the Jupiter posted here, and here is the Saturn. Suppose here is the Saturn, and here is the Mars. This is the position of the planet. The position means 6th house, 8th house, and 12th house. These three houses are known as Dusthan. That is the bad houses. Here the Jupiter is here at the sign of Buddha, the sign of Mercury or Buddha. That means this is the Jupiter is not in good position. This is the neutral planet's house. Jupiter is a neutral planet. Buddha is at Buddha's house, and Saturn is a Mars house. Mars house, that is Mars house Saturn. Saturn is also the neutral planet house, and Mars is the Jupiter house. This is the friend's house. That means that Jupiter and Saturn are not in the good position. These three planets are not in the good position. Jupiter, Saturn and Mars. Okay. But Mars is the quite better than these two planets because this is the friend house and this is the this is the neutral planet house. So this is the scenario of the position. But if any planet is positioned Kendra and Tikhon 1, 4, 7, 10. 1, 4, 7, 10. These are known as Kendra. Any planet are posted here, that is a good. Sometimes the 7th house becomes some problematic matter because the 7th house is the house of our Ayu. Sometimes this is the 7th house. Sometimes it's not too good. Just like another 3 house. 1, 2, 3. 1, 4, 10. And 1, 5 and 9, these 3 houses known as Kendra. Kendra and Tikhon are the pillar of any horoscope. So any planet is posted here, they are providing good result. But sometimes somebody's opinion is Kendra Adhipati dosh. If any good planet is any benefic planet is posted Kendra, then it becomes Kendra Adhipati dosh. But any malefic planet is posted here, that is also the good. This is the position. The position is a very vital matter where the planet is posted. Then aspect. Aspect means how we can see. We can put our aspect whenever anything is just opposite upper side. This is the aspect. All the planets, they are the aspecting remain the same. But some planet like Mars, Jupiter and Saturn, these 3 planets have got special aspect. Special aspect means all the planets are aspect in 7th house and they have got 2 more aspect. Mars can aspect 4th and 7th house. Aspect 4th house and 8th house. As in here Mars is posted. Mars can aspect 1, 2, 3, 4. This house under the Mars aspect 4, 5, 6, 7. This is house under aspect of Mars. And this house. Here Mars is posted here. Pisces sign, Mars aspect. This is the Gemini. Here the Virgo and Libra. These 3 signs are under the aspect of Mars. And Jupiter. Jupiter has got also the 3 aspects. That means from here it is posted, can see 5th house, 7th house and 9th house. Suppose Jupiter is here. Here is a Jupiter. Jupiter can aspect 5th house. From here we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This house, Jupiter can aspect first. 5th aspect, 6, 7. This is 7th aspect. And 8, 9, this house is 9th aspect. This Jupiter is here means these houses Jupiter can aspect from where it is posted. Next is the Saturn. Saturn has got also 3 aspects. First the 3rd house. 3rd house means 1, 2, 3. This house Saturn can aspect number 1. Next 7th house 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This house Saturn can aspect. And later is 10th house. 7, 8, 9, 10. These are Saturn can aspect. These 3 houses Saturn can aspect. These are the aspectation of all the planets. But if the Mercury is here or any planet is here or any other side, just opposite. Here is the aspect of Mercury. If any Sun is here, aspect here, any planet, all the planets aspect these 3 planets are aspecting opposite house, the seventh house from where they are posted in the horoscope. Next, here are another two planets are here. One is Rahu and other one is Ketu. Rahu has got the aspect just like Jupiter. Rahu has got the aspect just like Jupiter. That means if Rahu is here, Rahu can aspect 5th, 7th and 9th house. This is the 5th house. Rahu can aspect this house, 5th, 7th and 9th house. Because the Rahu is the head of the head. Head and Rahu doesn't have any body. He has only head. That is the reason Rahu can aspect this side. This side. But if we are discussing about the Ketu, Ketu is posted here. How it will aspect? Ketu cannot aspect. It doesn't has got any aspect because Ketu doesn't have any facial structure, doesn't have any head. Only that is the body, and body can't see. So there is no aspect of the Ketu. We cannot treat Ketu's aspect, no aspect of the Ketu. But some astrological books, they are telling about the Ketu's aspect just like Jupiter, just like Rahu, but that is not correct as per my opinion. Not only mine, but some scholar astrologer, they are not treated Ketu's aspect. And this aspect, if the good benefic planet aspect and malefic yogas, then that malefic yogas power becomes reduced, and if any malefic planet aspect on benefic yogas, then the benefic yogas power becomes reduced. This is the main scenario of the aspect. That is a C for conjunction. Conjunction means when any planet is sharing the sign with other planet, that is the known of conjunction. Conjunction means, suppose Mercury is here and here Mercury is here, and Mercury's conjunction is the Mars. Mars is the conjunction with Mercury. Okay, in the 6th house. You know the 6th, 8th and 12th house is not a good result, but here the Mercury is the Moon sign and Multicon sign is here, and Mars is the 8th lord. This is the conjunction. The conjunction means if any house and Mars, one is here is the matter is about the Mars, one is the Lagna lord, ascendant lord, and other one is the 8th lord. But Mars is posted as enemy sign, and Mars is not good at all because the Lagna lord is the 6th house and 8th lord is also 6th house and enemy sign. So this conjunction is not good for the Mars. So Mars is not good. But if any conjunction with the good planet, then it becomes the very good, and this such kind of conjunction is the main matter. Suppose suppose here the Mercury is here, and same Mars is posted here. Then here the Mars is not bad. This is the matter. As a result of that, so the conjunction of the planet that becomes the yogas, which are known as the Palashar yogas, which I will discuss with my some other videos about the yogas of the planet. Thanks for watching my video. Kindly like, share and comment on it. And also subscribe my channel to get my updated videos.